This is a video explaining why it is important to eat healthy and how the food pyramid plays a big role in a daily life by Hallie Marks. The food pyramid emphasizes the importance of eating a balanced diet by following the 5 main food groups known as grains, fruits, vegetables, dairy products, and other proteins including meat, fish, beans, nuts, and eggs. The food pyramid was created to offer an easier way to understand why a balanced diet is important. There are 6 main food groups because it is to create a well-balanced meal that contains all the vitamins each group provides. A balanced diet is a very healthful diet. Grains are the first food group. They are made up of grains such as rice, oats, bread, cereal, and pasta. The best nutrient grain provided is fiber. They also provide vitamin B. Grains also help reduce high blood cholesterol levels and may lower the risk of heart disease, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. Overall, grains are very important for you and should always be a part of your daily diet. Vegetables are another important food group for you. They are filled with vitamins and nutrition. This fiber also makes you feel fuller longer, so you are more likely to eat fewer calories throughout the day. Fruit is another important food group. Eating fruit provides health benefits. If you eat fruit on a daily basis, you are less likely to have any chronic diseases. Fruits provide nutrients vital for health and maintenance of your body. Fats and oils are surprisingly good for your body. Fats help you absorb vitamin A, D, E, and K. Fats also fill your body with fat cells and insulate your body to keep you warm. Milk and dairy foods are healthy foods. They serve as a good calcium and vitamin G, as well as protein and other essential nutrients. Meat, fish, eggs, nuts, and seeds provide many nutrients. These include protein and vitamin B. B vitamins found in this food group serve as a variety of functions in the body. When you eat healthy, you will feel better and have a better day. You won't be lazy and will be active. You will have more energy, you will have a better night's sleep, and you will be in a better mood.